Hi guys, ArchiTracer is a code coverage tool for 10 programming languages. It supports all build environments and can generate code coverage when we do unit testing or manual testing of application with or without unit test cases. In this video, we are going to learn how to generate code coverage using ArchiTracer code coverage tool when we do unit testing and manual testing of application using the following environment: platform Linux, prime project with unit tests, Go language, programming language is Golang, and unit tests are provided by the Golang itself, and we're going to test it using by running the unit test cases and doing the manual testing. So this is a project that we have here. So the first step is to go ahead and make sure that we are able to build it. Okay, and if I want to go ahead and execute this, just we can go ahead and run the command go test. Okay, and you can see that it's running the test cases here. Okay, uh, for instance, let's say like if you want to execute instrument and run the unit test cases and generate the code coverage, so all we need to do is enable the tool and instrument and clean the project and rebuild it. So let's go ahead and enable the tool. Let me go ahead and delete off this file. Okay, so to enable the tool, run the command tracer -on to turn on the tool and execute this, and you can see that it has instrumented all the source files here. Okay, so the next step is to go and build the project. Okay, you can see that it has generated the executable there, so we can go and run the test. Okay, so we're able to run the test case, and based on that the code coverage file got generated here with the code coverage. And let us go ahead and do also manual testing also. Okay, and let me enter 2 5 and quit. So we have, so it's treating that one as a 2 test cases. Now to generate the report, all we need to do is execute the command archi results, and you should be able to see the code coverage report in the browser. So if you want to see check the code coverage, these are the intermediate files that has been generated by the tool, which will be always in the ArchiTracer folder. And if you go to the reports, and you will see the reports here. Okay, now let me come back to this and go to the browser here. So this is how the report landing page looks like. On the left hand side we have a project tree structure, and on the right hand side we have a table here, 2 tables and the pie charts here, which gives us the overall project summary. So if I just select this project, you can see that this is the overall project summary, and this remains the same. The table on the topmost corner, the line coverage, statement coverage, and multi-condition, and this table and pie charts will get automatically updated the moment we select any of the file or function here. Okay, and this is how the files and function summary we can get. And you can also see that this is going to give us the project summary. And if you want to select this file, let's say like I'm going to select this file and double click, and it will take you to the source file here with the code coverage. And this gives us the high level, this gives us the what is the code coverage summary for this file. And you can also see that this condition was executed 0 times to true and 6 times to false, and this part of the code was not executed in the same line. And the green color means code has been covered, yellow means partially covered, red means not covered. And you can also, if it's having a condition here, you can see that it is added a multi-condition with the truth table and permutation and combination to show like what conditions it got executed and what not. Quickly you can just let's close this one, and if you want to quickly check the details, just hover over that condition, and you can see that it gives us a summary like 2 times to 3 and 3 times to false. And you can see that since it has executed for both true and false, it has been underscored with a green, but if it has been executed only to either to true or false, it will be underscored with a yellow. And if it has not covered both the conditions, it will be underscore will be in the red color. And you can see that even this has been executed for false, I mean executed for only for false and not for the true. And we at any given point of time, if we want to get the function summary, just right click within the function and go to the function summary, file summary or project summary. This comes handy when we have multiple functions in the source file, and if you're in middle of the file and if you want to get quickly check the function summary, code summary, all you need to do is right click in the within the function and you will get the function summary, file summary and project summary. And you can see that only two are partial, this line and this line. One is not covered, this line, and rest of the lines has been covered here. And the columns on the left hand side in the report is multi condition. We can also have the branch coverage here.